All right, this is Mr. Barr, and this is the work that goes with histograms. I have a piece of paper available. You see it right there. I have some pencils available. See those right there. So get out a notebook and be ready to write stuff down. Let's start this assignment. All right, so I need to fill in this interval table using the information up here. And here's how I'm going to do it. I'm actually going to use my paper because otherwise I will get so confused. I'll have no idea what's going on. Come on, where's my camera's all wonky. Wonky camera. How about that? Getting any better? Okay. Oh, that helped. Whoa. Man, everything's getting crazy. Okay, so I've got 80 to 89. I have 90 to 99. I have 100 to 109. I have 110 to 119. And I have 120 to 129. And what I'm going to do, you can't see it, but I'm actually just putting my finger up on the screen. My first number is 124. Hash mark there. Next number is 113. I'm just going down. 113 would be right there. 85 would be right here. 119 is right there. Going over to the next column over, I've got a 96, which would be right there. 107, which would be right there. 87, which is right there. 122, right there. 89, I'm on the third column over now. 89, right there. 102, right there. 91, right there. And 115, right there. So you couldn't see me, but I was actually just like putting my finger up against the screen and going through the numbers. All right, so my first interval has 3. My next interval has 2. My next interval has 2. Next interval has 3. And the last interval has 2. There we go. Checking those answers. I'm looking good. Let's go on. Now, I'm actually going to be using that exact same information to create the histogram for it. So I just copied the correct information over for you. So you see we have the 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2. Let's build the histogram for this. I'm going to use line segments. So between 80 and 89, I have 3. Between 80 and 89, I have 3. Then it goes down to 2. Then it goes to 2 again. Then it goes up to 3. And then it drops back down to 2. So I've built it. Now, Edulastic may not grade this thing correctly, but I'll check my answer. Checking my answer. All right, it's correct. But I can imagine a way that you could have the exact same graph, but Edulastic might mark it wrong. So I put a show hint feature in here too, so we can really check it out. It's the same stuff, right? Cool, it's the same graph. You got it right. We're looking good. Let's go do another one. Okay, back to my piece of paper. And I have 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99, and 100 to 109. Right, you can't see, but right now I'm going up to my screen and I'm just going to go down the column. So I have an 81, I have an 88, I have an 80, I have an 89. Wow, I didn't know those are all in the same area. Okay, then I have a 77, 78, a 99, a 94, a 63, a 96, a 63, a 92. You can't see it, but I'm touching my screen as I do this. A 99, no, excuse me, a 92, an 85, a 100, an 85, a 97, a 70, an 83, a 76, a 68, a 66, a 93, and 110. Ooh, 110. Oh, there is another column there. It's there's a 110 to a 119 column that I just can't see. It's right there. Okay. All right, let's start filling it in. So I have 4, and then I have another 4, and then I have, what is that, 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got 7 and 7. And then I have a 1 and a 1. And this last one is actually just a 0. There's nothing in that interval. Let's check it. Nice. We're going to use those exact same numbers on the graph. 4, 4, 7, 7, 1, 1. First interval is 60 to 69. Okay, let's get the correct tool. 60 to 69 is a 4. So we had a 4, and then another 4. Then I had a 7 and a 7. Then I have another 7 and a 7. Then I have a 1 and a 1. And a 1 and a 1. I'm going to do the check answer. Edulastic says I'm right. If Edulastic had marked me wrong, I would have come down here to the show hint, and I'd look at it and see that it's the same. And if Edulastic marks you wrong, but you have the same thing, just go on with your life and feel good about it. All right, let's do another one. So what are my intervals here? There are my intervals. One to 19, 20 to 39, 40 to 59, 60 to 79, 80 to 99, 100 to 119, and 120 to 139. Okay, I've got my intervals. Going up to the screen and just going to go down the column. So I got a 50, I have a 67, I have a 62, I have a 117, I have a 42, I have a 111, I have a 64, I have a 96, I have a 119, I have a 61, I have a 49, I have a 64, I have a 45, I have a 31, I have a 55, I have an 82, I have a 68, I have a 75, I have a 51, I have a 32, I have a 39, and I have a 33. So what is that? 4, 1 to 19. 1 to 19 is actually a 0, it looks like. 4, that's 6, 7, 2, 3, 0. Let's check it. Looks good. We're going to use those numbers for the graph. Okay, 0 to 19 was 0. 20 to 39. 20 to 39 is a 4. Then it goes to a 7. No, it goes to a 6. Then it goes to a 7. Then it goes to a 2. Then it goes to a 3. Checking the answer. Says I got it right. Remember, if Edulastic says you're wrong, check it using the hint and see if it's the same thing. It's the same thing. So I did get it right. We're looking good. Got one more to do. All right, so the interval width is 5 on this one. So we're looking at 40 to 44, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 44, 49, 54, 59, 64, 69, 74. Did I get them all? Okay, I'm putting my finger on the screen. I have a 63. I have a 68. I have a 59. I have a 51. I have a 55. I have a 48. I have a 70. I have a 67. I have a 58. I have a 55. I have a 50. I have a 64. I have a 68. I have a 60. I have a 56. I have a 46. I have a 71. I have a 72. I have a 59. I have a 50. I have a 49. I have a 70. I have a 65. I have a 56. I have a 53. I have a 46. I have a 62. I have another 62. I have a 53. I have a 57. And I have a 52. All right, let's get those numbers in. So 44 to whatever was a 0. Then it looks like it's a 4. Then, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 8. 5, 4, 4. See if I get that right. Good. Let's take those numbers and create the graph. Okay, 40 to 44 is a 0. 45 to 49. 45 to 49 was, what's that, 4? Okay, so we started with a 4, then we went to a 6. Then an 8. Then it looks like it dropped down to a 5. Uh-oh. We'll see if Edulastic is going to be cool with what I just did. I know I just did it out of order. We'll see. And then, so that was a 5. Now I've got a 4 and a 4. 4. before checking my answer. Okay, it's good. Once again, if it says I'm wrong, I'll do the show hint, and I'll check it that way, and it does work. All right. How long did that take me? 15 minutes to do my work today. But I'll admit, I was pretty on top of it. All right, hey, that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.